Today, I'll show you how to get admin access in any Discord server. This is one of the easiest methods. First, join my Discord server to grab the scripts. Once you're in, open the Get Admin in any server channel. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to open the Discord console. If nothing appears, you need to enable developer tools first. Don't worry, it's really easy, and I've included a guide in my Discord server. Once the console is open, type allow pasting and press enter. Next, copy the first script from my server, paste it into the console, and press enter. After that, do the exact same thing with the second script. That's it. Let's test it on a random Discord server. As you can see, I can now open the server settings, view the audit log, browse roles, channels, and other administrator-only pages. Before you go, you need to check out FalconLine. It creates Discord servers in seconds using AI, including channels, roles, categories, permissions, and much more. Try it now at falconline.online. Comment if it worked for you, and see you in the next video.